how to activate your Safe account. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate your Safe account. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your web browser and go to your Safe official website. Once you are on the website, I'm simply going to log in to my account after logging in. As you guys can see, I'll be able to click on my profile, and this is how the homepage will look like. Now afterwards you have to click on your profile. Then you have to go to your account details, and in your account details you'll easily be able to see all the details of your account, which should include your phone number, your email, and in order to verify your account you have to add your phone number. If you already have added phone number and email, which means your account is verified. As you guys can see, it wants me to verify right here. So if I click on that, it will want me to scan the ID card, which means if I'll open up the app, I'll simply tap on that option and it will open up the camera. And once you scan my ID, which should contain my name, so the ID could be your driving license or your national identity card, so you just have to scan that to verify your account. So that's basically how you can activate your Safe account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.